Sup everyone, it's Elijah of Financial Anatomy coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. This channel is all about apps that involve money in some form, personal finance, investing, as well as ways to make money online. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Chime app and the fact that you can actually deposit money via a check using their photo check depositing system. So what that is exactly what it sounds like. You can take a picture of a check and it can be deposited into your Chime account directly. So we're gonna move over to my phone so I can show you exactly what it looks like inside the app to do this. So the first thing we want to do is open up our Chime app. So I'm gonna click on Chime. Then you'll need to enter your PIN number, assuming you're already logged in. If you're not, you'll need to log in first. You'll then be taken to the home screen. From the home screen, you want to click on Move Money at the bottom of the screen. And you want to click where it says Mobile Check Deposit. It's going to ask you exactly what type of check is this coming from. You have U.S. Treasury, payroll provider, or other. For the most part, it's going to be one of the last two. So it's either going to be a check from your employer or a check from someone else that you're depositing. So for this example, we're gonna go off the example that someone gives you a check to deposit, but they're not your employer. So we're gonna click on Other. Then you're gonna get some basic instructions. Use a dark, solid background and good lighting. If depositing a check for you and your partner, both signatures are required. Then you have the option to not show this message again. I'm gonna uncheck that. Click Got It. Then you're gonna enter the amount that the check is worth. For this example, I'm just gonna put, let's say $100 and click Next. Then you're gonna need to give Chime permission to take pictures. Click Allow. Then from here, you would take a picture of the check and then you would have the option to upload it to the Chime app. Now you might be wondering exactly how long will it take before your funds from the check are available in your Chime spending account. According to Chime, I'm gonna read verbatim. You may be now wondering how long it's going to take for mobile check deposits to clear. Well, this depends on your bank account, the amount of check, and the type of check involved. So that's Chime basically saying that don't put an expectation, it's just it'll clear when it will clear. I can say from personal experience, it usually just takes one business day, so it's available the next day. But just keep in mind that if it's a check for a huge amount, or if it's a different type of check, like let's say a U.S. Treasury check, then it may take longer. Bam! You now know how to do a photo deposit of a check when it comes to the Chime bank account service. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I drop another Chime video. And giving this video a thumbs up if you found value in it is greatly appreciated. If you have an interest in signing up for a Chime bank account but you don't currently have one, you can do so by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link and helps to support the channel, but you also get some kind of sign-on bonus out of it. For details on what that amount is going to be, just check the link in the description. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.